Hey friends, I'm so glad you're here. Grab your brightest bowls, let's make 3 colorful no-cook snacks kids can make with a grown-up. Recipe 1. Rainbow fruit wands. Say the colors with me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Point to a fruit for each color. Strawberries, oranges, pineapple, kiwi, blueberries. Grapes, your pick. Grown-ups, help thread fruit onto a skewer or pretzel stick. Kids, pattern time, ABCD. Wiggle your wand and shout snack magic. Crunch test in 3, 2, 1. Recipe 2. Unicorn yogurt. Parfaits, scoop yogurt into a clear cup. Vanilla strawberry sprinkle layers. Crunchy granola. Crushed oats. Rainbow fruit bits, chia or seeds. Parents, check allergies. Kids, swirl gently. Make a yogurt galaxy. Taste check. Is it sweet enough or do we need a tiny drizzle of honey? Recipe 3. Roll it banana wraps. Lay out a tortilla, spread a thin layer. Peanut butter, sunflower butter, or yogurt, your safe choice. Place a peeled banana on the edge and roll, roll, roll. Grown-ups slice into little pinwheels. Kids, count the wheels out loud. 1, 2, 3. Bonus sprinkle. Add a dust of cinnamon or mini chocolate chips if allowed. Kitchen game time. Color call. Point to something red in your kitchen. Texture tap. Tap something crunchy, then something squishy. Freeze dance while we clean for 10 seconds. Music up. 10, 9, 8. Quick tips. Swap fruits you love. Frozen fruit? Thaw a bit. No skewers? Use clean straws or line fruit in a row. Pack leftovers in small containers for school snack time. High five, chefs. Show me your brightest bites by shouting your snack name on 3. 1, 2, 3. See you next snack time. Bye.